Hey, this is Duffy Jones from dvmSuccess, and today we're going to go through a how-to guide on our AI formulary. So let's jump in. The first thing you're going to do is go to our website at dvm.com and go to the bottom right corner where you'll see the formulary. When you click on the formulary, it'll open up, and what you can do is go ahead and put in the medication that you're looking for the dose for. So I'm going to do the dose for a 40-pound dog for metronidazole. So once you enter in the drug that you're looking for, go ahead and hit the enter key, and then the AI will come up with the dosage for you. So once the AI brings up the drug, it's going to tell you the class of drug it is. It's going to tell you the species. It's also going to give you the dosage instructions, and then it's going to help you calculate that dose for the weight that you put in. So you can see it making the calculations here. It's going to give you a minimum dose and a maximum dose. And that's what it does. So hopefully it can really improve and speed up how you're calculating drugs in your office. Thanks so much, and please let us know if you have any comments or ways to improve.